Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all well in this corona pandemic. In this time where all celebrities, policemen, doctors, nurses helping all people to keep safe India from corona. Sonu Sood, known best villain in film industry, has also come and became hero today for whole India. He is the latest internet sensation, winning hearts by working actively to help migrant workers to reach their homes. So today video is about Sonu Sood life story and his work in this corona time. Sonu Sood was born in Moga, Punjab in July 30, 1973. His mother was teacher whereas father had a textile business. He developed interest in acting after he started participating in model events in his college Yashwantrao Charan in Nagpur. He came to Mumbai after finishing his graduation in 1990 to become star. After he started modeling in Mumbai, his first film was Kala Jaghar in 1999 with director Bharati. Coming to his love story, Sood married to Sonali 23 years ago. They met while studying in college in Nagpur and got married in court in 1996. Sonali is only woman Sood had ever dated in his life. Now they have two sons, Ishant and Ayan. Apart from being a model and actor, Sood is also a film producer who is opened his production house Shakti Sagar Production in 2016 worth $17 million. He also has a family-owned hotel named Shakti Sagar near ISKCON in June, Mumbai. He recently offered to local authorities for use of paramedical forces fighting coronavirus. He has also received many awards for his acting. In 2009, Nandi Award for Best Villain and Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actor for Arundhati. In 2010, Apsara Award for Best Actor in Negative Role and IFA Award for Best Performance in Negative Role for Dabangg. In 2012, Seema Award for Best Actor in Negative Role for July. He is best known for role in blockbuster films such as Yuva, Athadu, Ashik Bana Apne, Jodha Akbar, Dabangg, Pakkudu, Happy New Year, Kung Fu Yoga, Simba. He also appeared in advertisements for Apollo Tyres and Airtel. Now, Sonu Sood had become God for thousands of workers in India. He is on a mission to send most migrants who are walking barefoot for thousands of miles to their village. From arranging buses to launching a toll-free number, he has walked an extra mile to do his best for migrant workers. He has stated that he knew the struggle of migrants. It reminded him of his early days in city. After helping thousand migrants in city, now Sonu had created a new milestone. He has airlifted 177 girls who have been stuck in Ernakulam, Kerala amid nationwide lockdown. These girls who have been doing stitching and embroidering work at a local factory and were stuck due to lockdown. Sonu said he was informed by a close friend from Bhubaneswar and he decided to take charge of the situation, do best for those girls. He started process by taking several permissions from government to have Kochi and Bhubaneswar airport to be operated. A special aircraft has been called from Bangalore to airlift these girls from Kochi who will be now taken to Bhubaneswar. Today, he also stated that his team and himself is spending sleepless night and getting 50 to 60,000 calls from across country. Air Asia said they are happy to be part of this initiative of Mr. Sonu and help people in need get back to their loved ones. A migrant worker named Prasanto said, "We would walk to thank Sonu Sood from bottom of our hearts from making these arrangements for us to fly back home. Their happiness has no bounds. By this work, Sonu Sood has not only won hearts of migrant workers, also won millions of Indians' hearts and has become a role model for whole industry. To this hero we salute and wish his all dreams come true and would help as much he can." This was all about Sonu Sood and his helping gesture. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.